that this license should be revoked. License issued by whom? By the municipality. Now to revoke that license, you have to prove that I have not followed the conditions, I have not complied the conditions which are there in the license granted to me. So license is very clear. License is issued to me, to my client, to conduct business of selling seafood. Now what we are selling there? We are selling seafood only. We have complied the license conditions. So there is no question of revocation. Now there is a pressure tactics. There is a pressure tactics maybe.
पालिकेचो सीओ म्हणटा दोनूय पार्टींचे म्हणणे आयकला. सोमारा 5 तारखेक तो खंय कितें ती ऑर्डर दितलो.
See, there is a complaint filed by some particular community against the sale of fish on the shops. This permission was granted to the shop since 2015, and according to the complaint, I have issued notice to both the parties, and today I heard both the parties. Arguments are heard, and I have fixed the matter for order on Monday.
5 तारखे मेरेन होलसेलरांक बंद केले ना जाल्यार नुस्तेकारांच खंय वचून फोर्सान तांची दुकानां बंद करतलीं. प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक.